Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you're learning to have a perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 28, NASDAQ off 47, S&P's off 8.5, gold contract down $4.20, trading at $13.04 an ounce. Silver down 34 cents at $18.35 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.24 a pound. Light sweet crude down 62 cents, trading at $44.73 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note flat, 130.01. 30-year bond down 18 ticks, 162.22. King dollar down 254 ticks, 97.16. The euro is trading at $1.11, and the yen is at 102. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we're down 90 cents. You're trading at $208.84. Tuesday, we do volume of 122 million. Yet down the way down. Yesterday you did 103. Today we did 86. Now, that's going into Brexit, folks, of 233. That's on your daily. We put this on the weekly, and what's happened on the weekly is this. The weekly thus far will come down to 374 million, and you're going into 817. The real kicker here is going to be, can, by tomorrow, it reject $210.49. Right now we're at 208.84. My take is that you're still going to get a small bounce setting up an ABC structure on the way down. Reason I'm saying that is that when the volume dries up this dramatically and you're coming into high volume days, most times you just get a bounce. That being said, guess what? This couldn't hold price. Now that's the S&P, that is the Dow Industrials. They're both set up the same way. The NASDAQ Composite, different animal. So this is what we have with the composite. The composite breaks the swing point of September 12th and does it with volume. The composite did 2 billion shares, couldn't hold price, so the composite doesn't have much to hold on to like 49.79. So bottom line is that we'll see. It wants to get down there first before it bounces. I expect you're going to get a bounce there too. It's going to be pretty strange if it makes it all the way down there. When let's go over to the Russell 2000. When it looks to me like the Dow and the S&P want to bounce right now. Yeah, the Russell's weak too. The Russell's real weak actually. The Russell's down $6.50. Now the Russell also, folks, topped out over a year ago. The high in the Russell is June of 2015, not 16. Okay, so bottom line is that's quite a while ago. We are trading at 1156, and 1134 is the next stop inside the Russell. The NDX 100. If we take a look at the 3Qs. What you're looking at, the 3Qs, is this. You did 27 million shares. You broke the 113. Oh, no, you didn't. I see what it's doing. Okay. So the 3Qs are at $114.05. The swing point is 113.63. That's where this is going. And you are coming into that with lighter volume. That's on the daily. On the weekly, what you have, it's pretty dramatically lighter. 180 million versus 96. So more than likely, that also is going to stop it in its tracks, meaning the 113.63. And you'll get a bounce coming out of that also. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract traded out here today from a price point of $12.86 to $13.08. You're at $13.04. You've done 219,000 contracts, which is good contract volume. This gold contract, as well as silver, that is building cause to get up and over the October 4th level. That that's how this is set up right now. Now, that being said, remember, we're coming into a Friday, and the way it seems to be set up at this particular point, I expect you're going to back down just slightly to do what? To build more cars for higher price. That's how both of those contracts seem to be lining up right now. We go take a look at the bonds. So we have divergence in between the 10-year note and the 30-year bond. The 10-year note came back inside its higher range. You're trading at 130.01. The range was 129.16. And you get the juice behind the move, too. So, bottom line, the 10-year wants to go for 130.5. And I expect you're going to actually see the 10-year to 123. And what that will be all about, folks, is that'll be a market that's going south, getting those bonds moving. Now, the divergence has to do with how the 30-year is trading versus the 10-year. The 30-year is having a tough time, more than a tough time, getting back inside its higher range. 30-year rejected higher price today, had lighter volume as it was going into his downdraft from the 27th. So bottom line is that, 30-year, it doesn't have to break down here, meaning break the 161.21, but it will at least, I suspect, retest that whole area. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar out here, folks, came down 264 ticks. We are at 97.15, and that little baby is coming into the strength from the 7th of October. So the 7th of October, folks, we did 49,000 contracts. You're pulling back into that with 24,000. That also is setting up that it looks to me like it wants to get a small bounce. That being said, that's all I expect is a bounce. And then you'll do an ABC structure on the way down inside King Dollar. And when you start tying this all together, the Fed funds probability rate that interest rates will go up December 14th, folks, right now is 78%. So bottom line, market is still expecting that to happen. The way that the 10-year is trading, it would look like it's not going to happen. The way that the dollar is trading, it looks like it's not going to happen. So I suspect, once again, as we start approaching the December 14th area, this market is not going to be in great shape, and the Fed will basically pause once again and will not raise rates. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.
If you're an active trader looking for that extra edge when it comes to trading and investments, then now is a great time to get a 2-week free trial to Tom O'Brien's daily market letter, Market Insights. Tom O'Brien's daily newsletter, Market Insights, comes out every market day at around 9:30 a.m. and provides Tom's daily commentary on the broad market, including the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P, plus specific trade recommendations. There's even an update published most afternoons to keep you informed about the day's market activity. He'll give you the entry price, price target, and stop price of each stock and option trade. With Market Insights, there's nothing left to guessing. For all the details and to get your 2-week free trial to Market Insights started today, visit TFNN.com.
Has the current market volatility continued to stop you out of trades when the market spikes against you? Now is the perfect time to open up an account with Nadex. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a brand new, completely regulated Chicago-based exchange, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their completely free trading platform, which also features real-time charts and full customization capability. One of the advantages of trading with Nadex in volatile markets is that your risk is always capped and you have the ability of keeping your trades open even when the market spikes against you. Nadex is completely brand new with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's Nadex.com. or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors. Are China A-shares hot or not? If you trade China A-shares, now may be time to take a closer look. Trade CHAU or CHAD, Directions Daily CSI 300 China A-share Bull and Bear ETFs. China A-shares in either direction. Visit directioninvestments.com today. An investor should consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of the Direction shares carefully before investing. The prospectus and summary prospectus contain this and other information about Direction shares. To obtain a prospectus or summary prospectus, please contact Direction shares at 866-476-7523. The prospectus or summary prospectus should be read carefully before investing. An investment in the funds is subject to risk, including the possible loss of principal. The funds are designed to be utilized only by sophisticated investors such as traders and active investors. Distributor Foreside Fund Services, LLC.
Tom takes your phone calls now. Toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Welcome back, folks. Let's go take a look at SBUX, SBUX. SBUX just came out with numbers. They closed at $51.77. It's trading at $53.51 right now. And SBUX is, look at this. This is an ABC down. Oh, don't touch this stock. So technically, this is what we have. Wow, look at this. Okay, so 57. We get $5. Not the end of the world. So that's $49. I see what it's doing. Wow.